If you want to hide apps on Google Pixel 11, then unfortunately there is no dedicated feature or option or setting that allows you to just simply hide the apps on your Google Pixel 11. However, there is an alternative that we can use to somewhat hide apps on our phone. More precisely, we can use the private space. So here on the search bar, you can just start typing private space. There we go. And then we should be able to open it, enter your screen lock password in order to continue, and then you can tap on Set Up. Now, soon after that, we should be able to choose if we want to sign into a Google account, and it is actually recommended to do so. And the reason why you are asked to sign into a Google account is simply because the private space is like a completely separate space from everything else that you have on your phone. And the private space has its own Play Store, which works and looks exactly the same way as a normal Play Store. But anything you install in the private space, it is only installed in the private space. And all the data that you have inside the private space doesn't really correlate. It's not synchronized with anything that you have outside of the private space. So now in here, I'm just going to skip because I prefer to sign in using my credentials. So here we can just sign into our Google account. And then let's follow the rest of the Google setup. So here we need to select that we will be using this device. Then we're going to agree to Google Terms of Service. There we go. And now we have the option to set up a password, a dedicated password for the private space, or you can use exactly the same password that you use on the lock screen to unlock your phone. It's up to you which one you prefer. If you want to have that additional privacy layout, privacy layer, not layout, layer, then you can just set up a completely separate password for that. In my case, I just care about hiding them. I don't care about the password of the private space. I'm just going to use the screen lock password to keep it simple. And then we should be all set. Now we can tap on Done, scroll down in the app drawer, and here we have our private space. Now we can tap on this lock here on the right side in order to unlock access to the private space. If you want to, you can actually hide the private space from here as well. So when the private space is locked, it won't appear on the app drawer, and instead you will have to use the search bar at the top to actually find the private space and in order to open it as well. And how it works, how we can actually use the private space to hide those apps. Well, let's take a look. For example, if I want to hide Spotify, I have Spotify on my phone here. It is definitely accessible by using the app drawer. If I want to hide it in the private space, I can use the Add button. And then I can choose to install apps. As you can see, we have opened the Play Store. And now we should be able to find the app that we want to hide. And we can install it. As you can see, it says install. Even though I have already Spotify installed, this is a fresh app. It's like an app that just has been installed. There is no data whatsoever. No account, no settings, no data whatsoever. So it is also important to set up your apps first before you, of course, proceed. And just to prove it to you here, if I open Spotify, as you can see, I have it. I have access to Spotify. I have my account in here. Here is my example account. And on the other hand, if I open this Spotify here from the private space, I actually need to sign in. So as you can see, there is no information, no data whatsoever. Okay, so now how we can hide it? Very simple. We just have to uninstall the app that we have used so far on our phone. So if you have the app installed on your phone, if you can access it via the app drawer, and then you can just uninstall it here. There we go. As you can see, it is gone, but I still have it in the private space. And I can use now the private space to access this app. Of course, if the private space is locked, there is no way to access this app. And in order to get into that app, well, you have to know the password. Either the screen lock password to the phone or the password that you specifically created for the private space. And as I said, you can also hide the private space if you care about hiding it. You can go to settings over here, choose the hide private space, turn this option on. There we go. And now if you go back and log the private space, as you can see, it is gone. In order to open it, use the search bar, search for private space. There we go. And this is how we can open it. So this is how we can hide apps on Google Pixel 11. Of course, another way to hide apps is by using third-party apps. So naturally, you can use the Google Play Store, and you can search for hide apps in here. And you should be able to find a bunch of apps that, at least in theory, should allow you to hide apps on your phone. So if you don't like the private space for some reason, then you can try to use third-party apps. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.